Hi, this is Teacher Carla from Camglish.com. Today, we will study the Essential Grammar in Use 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. We are now at the exercises under Unit 38. So, did you review our lesson last time? Okay, good. So, let's start the first exercise here. 38.1. Look at the two pictures. Now the room is empty. But what was in the room last week? Choose from the box and write sentences with there was or there were. Okay, so let's start. Let's look at the first picture here and the second picture. Okay, so there is a word now in this picture and last week in the first picture. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Blank on the wall near the window. Okay, so this is the window. What is near it or on the wall? Yes, that is a clock. Okay, so here is the word, a clock. So we will write it in past tense and a clock is in singular. So we will write there was a clock on the wall near the window. Okay, let's go now to number 2. Blank on the floor. Look at the floor here and the floor on the second picture. Yes, there is a carpet. Okay, let's look at here, a carpet. So, one subject and in past tense, so we will write there was a carpet on the floor. Let's go now on number 3. Blank on the wall near the door. So this is the door, near it on the wall are? Yes, okay. So let's look at the words for this one. Okay, there. 3 pictures. So plural. Okay, and then in past tense, we will write there were 3 pictures on the wall near the door. Okay, let's go now on number 4. Blank in the middle of the room. So what is in the middle of the room? Yes, okay. So this is a small table. So we will write that in past tense and in singular form. So it is there was a small table in the middle of the room. Okay, let's go now on number 5. Blank on the table. So what is on the table? Okay, so these are some flowers. Okay, so past tense and in plural form, we will write there were some flowers on the table. Okay, let's go now on number 6. Blank on the shelves. Okay, so this is the shelves. What are these? Okay, so these are some books. Okay, so in plural form and in past tense, we will write there were some books on the shelves. Okay, let's go now on number 7. Blank in the corner near the door. So this is the corner of the room, and near the door, what is this? Okay, so yes, you are right. This is a sofa. So sofa is only one in singular form, and in past tense, we will write there was a sofa in the corner near the door. Okay, let's go now on number 8. Blank opposite the armchair. So let's look at the sofa here. Okay, so this is the armchair and opposite it is? Yes, okay, so this is an armchair. Okay, so in singular form and in past tense, we will write there was an armchair opposite the armchair. Okay, So now you know how to use there was and there were. Okay, let's go now on the second exercise here. Okay, so 38.2, write there was, there wasn't, a contraction of there was not, and was there. Okay, was there. We use this when we are asking for a singular object or subject. Okay, or there were, there weren't. Okay, contraction of there were not, and were there. We used were there when we are asking of some subjects in plural form or many. Okay, so let's start. Number 1. I was hungry but blank nothing to eat. Okay, so we used there wasn't because this is only singular because of the word anything here. It is uncountable noun, or you can't count. Okay, and we are not telling that, and we are telling that there was nothing to eat. Okay, so let's go now on number 2. Blank any phone messages for me yesterday. Okay, so we are asking, and the subject here is messages. It is many, so we will use were there. Okay, let's go now on number 3. I opened the envelope, but it was empty. Blank nothing in it. Okay, so the first sentence here tells us that the envelope is empty or was empty. So we will say that there was nothing in it. Okay, there was. We use this singular one because of the word nothing. It is uncountable, or there is no specific object. Okay, let's go now on number 4. We stayed at a very nice hotel. Really? Blank a swimming pool. So we are asking, and only one swimming pool, so we will use was there. Okay, let's go now on number 5. Did you buy any eggs? No. Blank any in the shop. Okay, so we will use there weren't because it is in plural form because of the word eggs here. Okay, so let's go now on number 6. The wallet was empty. Blank any money in it. Okay, so the first sentence here tells us that the wallet was empty, and we will state that there was no money or no any money in it. Okay, so we used wasn't in singular form because of the word any. Okay, any, we use this because there was no specific amount of money. Let's go now on number 7. Blank many people at the meeting? No, very few. So we are asking, and there is the word many people here, so we will use were there. Okay, in plural past tense. Okay, so let's go now on number 8. We didn't visit the museum. Blank enough time. So the first sentence tells us that they don't go to the museum because there was no enough time, or there wasn't enough time. Okay, let's go now on number 9. I'm sorry, I'm late. Blank a lot of traffic. Okay, so a lot here is in plural, and then we will use there were. Okay, and the last one is 20 years ago. Blank many tourists here. Now there are a lot. Okay, so you can see that in this sentence, all the subjects here are in plural form. So we will use there weren't. Okay, because the first sentence is in comparison, past and then now. Okay, so that will be all for today. We will continue for the last part of the exercises under Unit 38. Again, this is Teacher Carla from Camglish.com. See you next time. Bye!